This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Roblox Executor on mobile. First, it is crucial to understand that an executor is a type of third-party application designed to modify the way Roblox functions on your mobile device. These tools are explicitly not endorsed or supported by the official Roblox platform, which means they operate outside its intended design. Typically, these applications claim to work by injecting custom scripts directly into the Roblox game environment while it is actively running. These scripts are then intended to perform various functions, from adjusting game settings to introducing new capabilities. On mobile platforms, getting these tools to function reliably often involves a much more intricate and less straightforward process compared to their desktop counterparts. There are significant risks involved with seeking out and installing any unofficial software. Downloading unverified executables can expose your device to serious threats, including viruses, spyware, or other malicious software. Many of these applications demand extensive permissions on your mobile device, potentially compromising your personal data and overall device security, so exercise extreme caution. It is important to remember that using any form of third-party executor directly violates Roblox's official terms of service. Engaging in such activities can result in severe consequences for your account, ranging from temporary suspensions to a permanent ban from the platform. Prioritizing the security of your Roblox account is crucial for enjoying the game without interruption or loss of progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.